Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 22nd, 2023. Almost end of the week, almost weekend. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, it's the 4 stars Sudoku number. Let me zoom this number. This will be number 7667. Yeah, 7667. Wait. Okay. Before I start, I always count up printed these as well. This one has a lot. Incorrect. Not a lot. Has 24 printed digits. Yeah. The 4 stars Sudoku has always 24. So, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? I don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Okay. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 ones we have here. 2 2s. Correction. 3 3s. 2 3s. 1 4. 3 5s. 3 6s. 3 7s. 2 8s and 2 9s. So it's divided. Divided. Let me see. Can I start with one of the numbers? Yeah. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 8 8. Yeah, we have a pair. 5 and a 6 in this column. 5 and a 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. Right. Now. We have a 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 5, okay. Need a 5 there. Need a 2 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 3 here. 2 6 5, okay. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yeah. In this row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this row could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in this row. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. So these are 3 missing numbers. In this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places level 3 goes together with the 9 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in the last row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes and there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1, 4. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, with 1 and 8 in this column, second column. No 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Need a 2 here. Need a 3. Yeah, 3 in this column. 3 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 2, 2, 3, 3. Yeah. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. 6, 9, and I need a 2 here. Come on. Need a 3 there. 8 there. Okay, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the first column. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. We have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Need an 8 here. Still need an 8. Then. Need a 2 here. And I need 4, 8, and 9. No. 4, 8, and need a 7. Yeah, need a 7. 7. Need a 7, 7. Come on. Need a 2 there also. 7. How about the number? Yeah. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Well. One there. 1, 8, 5, 1, 8, and a 5. Now I need to think. 1, 4, and 7. 1, 4, and 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this middle column, middle row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. And I've marked out those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then, yeah. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column. We have a 1 and a 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So here we have 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 7 as a pair. Here we have a 4 and an 8. Interesting. 4, 8, and 7. Well. Need a 2 there. How about the 1? Need a 1 there. And need a 1 here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Need a 2 there. And I need a 2 there. Still. So 2 numbers left in this column. Second column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 9 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 6, 6, okay. 9. 6 needs. We have a pair. The 2 and a 6 in this row. The 2 and a 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 5 and an 8. No, cannot fill this yet. Alright, and now 4, 7, and 8. 4, 7, and 8. Well. Here I need a 1. Here I need a 1. Need an 8 here. And how about the 2? 2, 4, 8. 4, 8, 5. 4, 8. Here can be 8. Ay. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here or there. Well, these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7, 4. 4, 5, 7. We have a 4 and a 5 in this column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 7. So 4 and a 5, okay. Need to wait. Ay. No 7 here. Yeah. It's not easy. This one, 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column. Only place left, 2 should be there. So the 4 and 8 are left. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the bottom. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left, 6 should be here. On there, we have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Here are also 2 numbers left in this column, 5 and the 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left, 5 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 1 goes in there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third columm. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Well, cannot fill this yet. Here also 4 and 7. And here also 4 and 7. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 4 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 4 goes in there. 4 and 7, we have a 4 now in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there, same numbers. 4 and 7, we have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and 7, we have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. And here 2 numbers left. The final numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. The 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this columm, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Wow. Wow. Solve it again. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.